Today we are finally back at Disneyland and we're going to do our December 2018 construction update. If you want to see our other construction updates, we'll put a link right here. Let's get started with Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
Okay, here we are at the top of Mickey and Friends. Like I said, it's gonna be hard to see really anything going on because almost everything is completed over here. They're still doing this rock work right here. It's not all the way done, but it has made some progress from last time. Look at that little guy down there. Hi, guy. There's some guys working over here too. All of this rock work right here is finished. And then we got one spire being worked on right there, and that one next to it is done. I think that one was under construction the last time we did this, so I need to go back and double check. And then all of those spires are still covered up with some scaffolding. But that looks to be it from back here. That's all you can really see. Over to the parking structure construction update, where it's always loud because they're busy working. But we're on top of Mickey and Friends on the mini level, and they've blocked off from the fence over there. You can see they're doing the final bridge across so they can start that final level, which would be awesome. It's so bright. I think this is new, whatever this thing is.
Yeah, that.
I don't remember seeing that last time.
Elevators.
You think that's gonna be elevators?
Yeah, because this parking structure, just the left,
Yeah.
is elevators.
Oh yeah, so I think that'll be elevators. But look, the escalator stuff is going in.
Oh yeah!
That looks so neat! And then where that guy's standing right there will be where people like walk around to get to the escalators. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Me too. This is coming along pretty good.
Yeah.
Awesome. Tangaroa Terrace is still behind walls. It's not opening again until 2019. You can see some people are back there working. So that's exciting. We were walking around Disneyland Hotel and they have holiday music playing at the pool. It's kind of cool and weird. Wow, I'm in downtown Disney headed towards the monorail and there is no wall at all anymore that was over here. And Starbucks is back open. I see people in there getting their coffee on right now. See, look, that pink one right up. But they still have food trucks over here too. Oh my gosh, you guys, Wetzel's Pretzels is open. That was really fast. Now if they could just open Ballast Point, that'd be awesome. Napolini is open in downtown Disney, right next to Naples. So after seeing the sneak peeks online about the Tropical Hideaway, we were really hoping it would be open today, but it's not. But it should be by the end of this month. You can see the tiki torches are already lit, and you just pointed out to me, if you look carefully, there's like a stick that keeps poking that thing.
There's a banana up there.
So there's a banana stuck up there. But anyway, it's not open yet, but it should be open by the end of this month, right? We'll see. All right, now we're at DCA to see what construction stuff's going on over here.
Yep.
Okay, in DCA now, and we are looking at the Marvel Land that's coming. Jude thinks it's going to be called the Going Gone Land because it looks like the sign that's up. But yeah, you can see there's a big vehicle going on right there. Over by the bathroom, that white building that's like blown out right now, I cannot get it to change. Oh, there we go. Is the bathroom, and there's a clover over there. We think it's the 4-leaf clover. That wasn't there before, so it has been moved to that direction. And then there's still the tarp and a big pile of dirt right there. So that's really all we can see from here. We won't have time to go up in the pal around today, so we'll have to save that for January. So this has been your Marvel Land update for December 2018. So this is super random. There used to be like 4 pictures over here, and they just like knocked down one of the.
3, 2, 1, go!
All right, this one. Anyway, there is a piece of the wall that's been taken out over here. So now you can watch the ride vehicles leave the building over here. And you can watch like a piece of the show, which is pretty awesome. Okay, after this thing goes, they're gonna, the track's gonna switch over so the other side can go. Wow, that's magic.
Yeah.
So Jesse's critter carousel looks to be like from this angle, it's kind of dark right now. The sun's starting to set, but it looks like it's done in here. Like the top is done.
Yeah.
So who knows what's going on behind that wall, but it's getting pretty close to done. You guys, we are so excited. We've heard and have seen, like in the Disney universe on Twitter and stuff, that Bing Bong is out. Finally, yay! So that's where we're headed right now to sing Bing Bong. Who's your friend that likes to play?
Bing bong, bing bong.
Okay, here's the moment of truth. Oh, he's blocking. Wow, there he is, you guys.
Oh, that's amazing.
Ooh. You see him crying candy? Ooh, yeah.
I won first place!
Ooh.
I'm so glad that purple wall is not there anymore. Congratulations.
Did you know he
Disney.
talked?
I did not.
You like it? What do you think? You don't like Bing Bong? You were the unpopular vote here. Wow. Let's look at his crying candy up close. Look at his cotton candy body. Kennedy, did you know he has a cotton
You
candy?
really do know me?
I do know you. His body is made out of cotton candy. Doesn't he look delicious? Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty awesome. I'm so glad he's here.
You gotta remember, when Riley was 3, animals were all the rage. The cow goes moo, the horse goes neigh. That's all people talked about that day. I cried candy. Try the caramel, it's delicious. Look at me! I'm closer to the station, cause I'm taking the shortcut!
As I mentioned earlier, we do not have time to go on the power round today, so we can't get a better view of this. But from the outside, you can see some lights are up, so you know they're doing something over there, especially at night. Oh, right across. Whoa! That was too fast. Jude just pointed this out to me. I completely forgot about it, but all of the World of Color stuff is back under the water, so maybe it'll be back soon. I have been at a couple of travel agent meetings where they are talking about a show during the Lunar New Year celebration that'll be going on in January, so it should definitely be up by then. All right, you guys, that was our construction update for December 2018. Hope you guys liked it. There's a lot of construction that's kind of gone away, so it's not as long as it used to be. So there's going to be a lot of stuff opening next year. We're so excited for it. Put in the comments what you're most excited for, and we'll see you guys next time. And remember,
Disneyland is your land. Bye.